Alright guys, let's open this up and just see how it looks like. Alright, so look at how gorgeous it is. It is beautiful in color, very bright and vibrant, and I love the gold finishes. And then you can see here the rainbow chest piece is gorgeous, literally. I love it so much. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so you can see here just how long it looks, and then let's just place it here for now. And then it comes with some extra pieces here in case you need it, and it just comes with a little manual as well, so just how to use it and whatnot. Okay, back to this. So as you can see here, the color, the vibrancy, the quality, made in the USA. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment below. And that'll be it for today. Thank you.